You are not tired. You are overstimulated. You wake up and grab your phone. You eat while watching YouTube. You can't even go to the bathroom without scrolling. Your brain is drowning in cheap dopamine from the moment you open your eyes until you pass out, and you wonder why you can't focus. You wonder why you have no motivation. It's not because you are lazy. It's because your reward system is broken. You have fried your dopamine receptors so badly that normal life feels boring. In this video, I'm giving you a strict 7-day detox protocol. This isn't about quitting social media forever. It's about resetting your baseline so you can actually enjoy doing hard work again. The science, the baseline problem. To fix this, you need to understand the mechanism. Every time you indulge in a super stimulus, like infinite scrolling or junk food, your dopamine spikes. But here is the catch: what goes up must come down. After the spike, your dopamine doesn't go back to normal. It drops below baseline. This is the pain state. This is why you feel anxious when you aren't distracted. You are in a dopamine deficit. The only way to fix it is to stop the spikes and let your brain heal naturally. That takes exactly 7 days. The rules: what is banned? For the next 7 days, the following things are strictly forbidden. There is no negotiation here. No short-form content, no TikTok, Reels, or Shorts. This is digital crack. No adult content, zero. This destroys your motivation faster than anything else. No video games, you are simulating achievement instead of earning it. No junk food, sugar and processed fat trigger the same receptors as drugs. So what can I do? You can walk. You can write. You can read books. You can stare at a wall. The goal is to be bored. Boredom is not the enemy. Boredom is the cure. The timeline, days 1 to 3, the withdrawal. Let's break down what will happen to you. Days 1 through 3 are going to suck. I'm not going to lie to you. Your brain will scream for stimulation. You will feel phantom vibrations in your pocket. You will feel irritable, anxious, and maybe even depressed. This is called the withdrawal. It means it's working. Most people quit on day 2. They say, I need to check my messages for work or I'll just watch one video. Don't be weak. If you can't sit with your own thoughts for 48 hours, you have a serious problem. Push through. The timeline, days 4 to 7, the clarity. On day 4, something weird happens. The noise in your head gets quieter. You wake up and you don't immediately reach for your phone. Food tastes a bit better. By day 6 and 7, your baseline is reset. Suddenly, doing hard work, like studying or cleaning, doesn't feel painful anymore. It actually feels satisfying. You have restored your sensitivity to slow dopamine. You are now free. The relapse trap, crucial. But here is the danger. On day 8, most people binge. They think, I did it. I'm cured. And they go right back to 6 hours of screen time. You will undo 7 days of progress in 7 minutes. The detox is not a permanent lifestyle. It is a reset. When you reintroduce technology, you must do it with boundaries. Keep the no phone morning rule forever. Keep the no TikTok rule forever. Protect your baseline. If you actually do this, if you actually make it to day 7, you will have a mental clarity you haven't felt since you were a child. But clarity is useless if you don't use it to build something. Now you have a choice. You can go back to noise. Or you can build something real while your mind is clear. Don't waste this window. Use the clarity. Start today.